Switzerland. Switzerland, official the Swiss Confederation, is a landlocked country located in West Central Europe. It is bordered by Italy to the south, France to the west, Germany to the north, and Australia and Liechtenstein to the east. Switzerland is geographically divided among the Swiss plateau, the Alps and the Jura. The Alps occupy the greater part of the territory, whereas most of the country's 9 million people are concentrated on the plateau, which hosts its largest cities and economic center, including Zurich, Geneva, and Lausanne. Now, Switzerland is a federal republic composed of 26 cantons, with federal authorities based in Bern. It has 4 main languages and cultural regions: German, French, Italian, and Romance. Although most Swiss are German-speaking, national identity is fairly cohesive, being rooted in a common historical background, shared values such as federalism and democracy, and Alpine symbolism. Swiss identity transcends language, ethnic, and religion, leading to Swiss being described as a Wilhelmstatian nation of religion rather than a nation state. Switzerland originates from the Old Swiss Confederacy, established in the late Middle Ages as a defensive and commercial alliance. The Federal Charter of 1291 is considered the country's founding document. The Confederation steadily expanded and consolidated despite external and internal political and religious strife. Swiss independence from the old Roman Empire was formally recognized in the Peace of Westphalia in 1648. The Federation was among the first and few republics of the early modern period, and only once besides San Marino that survived the Napoleonic Wars. Arsenal. Switzerland remained a network of self-governing states until 1798, when Revolution France invaded and imposed the centralist Helvetic Republic. Napoleon abolished the republic in 1803 and then started a confederation. Following the Napoleonic Wars, Switzerland restored its pre-revolution system, but by 1830 faded. Growing division and conflict between liberal and conservative movements. This culminated in a new constitution in 1848. They established the current federal system and ensured principles such as individual rights, separation of power, and parliamentary bicameralism. Switzerland has maintained a policy of armed neutrality since the 16th century and has not fought an international war since 1815. They joined the United Nations only 2002, but pursues an active foreign policy that includes frequent involvement in peace building and global governance. Switzerland is the birthplace of the Red Cross and hosts the headquarters or official of major international institutions including the WTO, the WHO, the ILO, FIFA, the WEF, and the UN. It is a founding member of the European Free Trade Association (EFTA), but not part of the European Union (EU), the European Economic Area, or the Eurozone. However, it participates in the European Single Market and the Schengen area. Switzerland is among the world's most developed countries with a normal wealth per adult and the highest gross domestic product (GDP) per capita. It performs on several international metrics, including economic competitiveness, democratic government, and freedom. Zurich and Basel rank among the highest in quality of life, albeit with some of the biggest cost of living. Switzerland holds an international reputation for its established banking sector and its special industry in marketing and corporate product. Economy and labor law. Main article economy of Switzerland and economy history of Switzerland. So also banking in Switzerland and federal budget of Switzerland. The Great Zurich area, home to 1.5 million inhabitants and 150 million or 150,000 components, is one of the most important economic countries in the world. Switzerland has a stable, prosperous and heritage economy. It is the world with its country per capita in multi-ranking. The country rank of as one, the less corrupt countries in the world, with its banking sector in red as one of the most corrupt in the world. Thus, the world 20 largest economy by nominal GDP and the 38th largest by purchasing power parity. As of 2021, it has 13th largest export and the 5th largest per capita. Zurich and Geneva are regarded as global cities. Ranked as Alpha and Beta respectively, Basel in the capital of Switzerland, pharmaceutical industry, hosting Novartis, Roche, and many other players. It is one of the world's most important center for the life science industry. Now, Switzerland at the second next global rating in the Index of Economic Freedom 2023, will also providing significant public service on a per capita which nominal GDP is bigger than those of the largest Western and Central European economies in Japan. Will adjusted for purchasing power, Switzerland ranked 11 in 2017, 5th in 2018 and 90. In 2020, origin of the capital at the 30 biggest Swiss corporation 2018. Red Switzerland 39%, Yellow North America 33%, Blue Europe 24%, and Black Red rest of the world 4%. The 2060 World Economy Forum's Global Competitiveness Report ranked Switzerland economies as the world most competitive as of 2019. It ranked 5th globally. The European Union labeled in Europe most innovative country. Switzerland has been ranked the most innovative country in the Global Innovation Index in 2024, as it had done in 2023, 2022, 2021, 2020, and 2019. It ranked 20 of 189 countries in the Ease of Doing Business Index. Switzerland's slow growth in the 1990 and the early 2000 increased support for economic forum and harmonization with the European Union in 2020. EMT, the Switzerland based in attraction skilled workers for most of the 20 country. Switzerland was the well-aged country in Europe by a considerable earning per capita GDP. Switzerland is one of the world's largest account balances as of percentage of GDP in 2018. This canton of Basel City had the highest GDP per capita ahead of Zug and Geneva. According to Credit Suisse, only about 37% of residents own their own homes, one of the low rate of ownership in Europe. Housing and for French laws were 171% and 145% of the EU 25 index in 2007, compared to 113% and 104% in Germany. Switzerland is home to several large multinational corporations. The largest by revenue are Glencore, Confor, Nestlé, Mediterranean Shipping Company, Novartis, Hoffmann La Roche, EPP, Mercury Energy Group, and Adecco. Also notable are US-based Swiss Insurance, Richemont, Credit Suisse, Barry Callebaut, Swiss Re, Rolex, Tetra Pak, Swat Group, and Swiss International Airlines. Switzerland's most important economic sector in manufacturing. Manufacturing products include specialty chemical and pharmaceuticals, scientific and progressive medicine instrument and musical instrument. The largest exported goods are chemical, 34% of export goods, medicine and electronics, 20.9%, and precision instrument and waste, 16.9%. The service sector, especially banking and insurance, commodities trading, tourism and international organization, is another important industry for Switzerland. Exports should amount to a third of export. Agricultural protectionism, a rare exception to Switzerland's free trade policy, contribute to weak food rich product market liberalism, is lagging being main EU countries according to the OECD. Apart from agricultural economy and the trade varies between the European Union and Switzerland are minimal, and Switzerland has free trade agreement with many countries. Switzerland is a member of the European Free Trade Association, EFTA. Switzerland is considered as the land of cooperative, with the 10 largest cooperative companies accounting for more than 11% of GDP in 2018. They include Migros and Coop, the two largest retail companies in Switzerland. Taxation and government spending. Also, taxation in Switzerland. Sweden is a tax have the private sector economy dominates it future low tax rate now. The GDP ratio is one of the small of developed countries. The Swiss federal budget reaches 62.8 billion Swiss francs in 2010, 11.35% of GDP. However, canton and municipality budget are not counted as part of the federal budget. Total government spending is closer to 33.8% of GDP. The main source of income for the federal government are the value-added tax, 33% of tax revenue, and the direct federal tax, 29%. The main areas of expenditure are in social welfare and financial taxes. The expenditure of the Swiss Confederation have been growing from 7% of GDP in 1960 to 9.7% in 1990 and 10.7% in 2010. Will the social welfare and financial sector and tax grow from 35% in 1990 to 48.2% in 2010. A significant reduction of expenditure has been occurring in agriculture and national defense from 26.5% to 12.4% estimation for the years 2015. Labor force. So also immigration to Switzerland. Slightly more than 5 million people work in Switzerland. About 25% of employees belong to a trade union in 2004. Switzerland has a more flexible labor market than neighboring countries, and the unemployment rate is consistently low. The unemployment rate increased from 1.7% in June 2000 to 4.4% in December 2009. It then decreased to 3.2% in 2014. Next for several years before further dropping to 2.5% in 2018 and 2.3% in 2019. In 2023, that reached 20 years low of 2%. Population growth from net immigration reached 0.52% of population in 2004. Increase in the following years before falling to 0.54% again in 2017. The foreign cities population was 28.9% in 2015. But small as in Australia in 2022. The median monthly gross income in Switzerland was 6.788 francs per month, equivalent to $7.467 per month. After rent, tax, and pension contributors, plus spending on goods and service, the average household and about 15% of its gross income left for saving, though 61% of population made less than the main income. Income inequality is relatively low with a GINA coefficient of 29.7, placing Switzerland among the top 20 countries in 2015. The richest 1% owned 35% of the world, while inequality increased to 2090. About 82% of population live below the national poverty line. Divided in Switzerland as earning less than CHF 3,990 per month for household of 2 adults and 2 children, and a further 15% area at risk of poverty single parent families, those with no post-compulsory education and those are of work are among the most likely to live below the poverty line. Although work is considered a way out of poverty, some further 3% area considered working for one in the job in Switzerland is considerably low paid. Roughly 12% of the workers also job, many of them women and foreigners. Education and science. Main article education in Switzerland and science and technology in Switzerland. The University of Basel in Switzerland, or University 1416. Some Swiss scientists who played a key role in the discipline clockwise: Roger Euler, mathematics; Louis Agassiz, glaciology; Auguste Piccard, aeronautics; Albert Einstein, physics. Education in Swiss is diverse because the Constitution of Switzerland, the legal test, the operation for the school system to the cantons. Public and private schools are available, including many private international schools. Primary education. The minimal age for primary school is about 6 years, but most cantons provide every year in school starting at age 4 or 5. Primary school continues until grade 4, 5, or 6, depending on the school. Traditionally, the Virgin lingua in school was one of the other Swiss languages. Although in 2000 English was elevated in a few cantons at the end of primary school or at the beginning of secondary school. Pupils are assigned according to their capacities into one of several sections. Often 3, the verdant learners are taught advanced class to prepare to further studies and the matura. While other students receive an education adapt to their need. Their education, Switzerland has 12 universities, 10 of which are maintained at cantonal level and usually over non-technical subjects. It ranked 87 on the 2019 academics ranking of the world universities. The largest is the University of Zurich, with nearly 25,000 students. The Swiss Federal Institute of Technology Zurich (ETH) and the University of Zurich are listed 20 and 50 respectively on the 2015 academic ranking of the board universities. The federal government is bound to instill the Swiss Federal Institute of Technology Zurich (ETH) in Zurich, founded in 1855, and the Early Polytechnic Federal de Lausanne (EPFL) in Lausanne, founded in 1969. Primarily associated with the University of Lausanne. Eight of the world's best other schools are located in Switzerland. And Edison various universities of applied science are available in business and management. Students, the University of St. Gallen, HSG, in ranked 436 in the world according to Chatsworth University ranking in the International Institute for Management Development (IMD), was ranked first in open programs worldwide. Switzerland has the second biggest at almost 18% in 2003. Of various students in their tertiary education after Australia, slightly over 18%. The Graduate Institute of International and Development Students located in Geneva is continental Europe's oldest graduate school of international and developed studies. It is riddled to be one of its most prodigious saints. So also see list of Swiss Nobel laureates. Switzerland is among the countries with the highest number of the Nobel laureates, but in total and per capita of the 28 Swiss nationals who have won the Nobel Prize, 23 were recognized in the chain. Among the most famous in Albert Einstein, who became a Swiss citizen in 1901 and developed his theory of special relativity in print.
The two most popular routes to climb
Among the Nobel laureates born or naturalized in Switzerland are Vladimir Prelog, Henrik Rohrer, Richard Ernst, Hermann Witzer, Regin Kernagel, Kurt Witzer, and Jacques Doguchet. Over 100 laureates across all will have a relation to Switzerland. The Nobel Prize has been awarded 9 times to organizations headquarters in Switzerland. The LHC is the world's largest lab and also the birthplace of the World Wide Web. Even the Nobel Prize development of INCO is the world's largest laboratory dedicated to participate research. All top import research country is the Paul Institute, which conducts multidisciplinary research in the natural and engineering science. Notable Swiss inventions include insects, acid, deadly middle LSD, diazepam pump, volume, Velcro, and the chain tuning microscope, which are invested Kerbening and Heinrich Rohrer, the 1986 published in physics. Auguste Piccard became the first person to enter the Saint-Esprit with his pressurized hydrogen balloon. Wilson Jacques Piccard became one of the first people to explore the deepest known part of the world ocean, along with American John West. The Swiss Space Office has been involved in various space technology and programs. It was one of the 10 founders of the European Space Agency in 1975, and it is the 7th largest contributor to the Asia budget in the private sector. Several companies participate in the space industry, such as Oerlikon Space and Maxon Motors. Energy. CL Energy in Switzerland. Switzerland has the dam in Europe, among which the Meerwijnendam in the Alps. Hydroelectric power is the most important domestic source of energy in the country. Electricity generated in Switzerland in 56% from hydroelectricity and 39% from nuclear power. Producing negligible CO2 on 18 May 2003, to handle nuclear referendum were different. Moratoriums plus aimed at forbidding the building of new nuclear power plant. 41.6% supported, and electric without nuclear 33.7% supported after a moratorium expired in 2000. After the Fukushima nuclear disaster in 2011, the government announced plan to end the USI of nuclear energy in the following 20 to 30 years. In November 2016, these voters rejected a Green Party referendum to declare the phase-out of nuclear power. 45.8% supported. The Swiss Federal Office of Energy (SFOA) is responsible for energy supply and energy use within the Federal Department of Environment, Transport, Energy and Communication. The text, the energy support the 2000 World Society initiative to cut the national energy use by more than half by 2050. Transport, main article transport in Switzerland. Entrance of the new Flegeburg-based tunnel, the longest runway tunnel in the world, under the old runway lane. It was the first complete tunnel of the Great Project NRLA. The densest rail network in Europe spans 5,250 kilometers, 3,260 mi, and carried 60 or 640 million passengers in 2023. In 2023, HV's residents traveled on average 2,440 km or 1,520 mi. We rail more than any other European countries. Virtually 100% of the network is electric, with 60% of the network is operated by Swiss Federal Railways (SBB). GFFFS visited the second largest standard gauge railway company, BLSIJ. Two railway companies operated on narrow gauge network, the Rutland Railway (RHB) in Graubünden, which include somewhat heritage land in the Matter or Kedarpan MGH, which cooperates with RHB, the Glacier Express Badun Jerwet or Jermat, and ST Marines or Davos. Switzerland operates the world's longest and deepest railway tunnels in the Weiss Flat Low level rock top the Alps, the 70 or 57.1 km long or 35.5 mi. Belar bisa Tunnel, the largest part of the new railway line through the Alps, and RLA project. Public transport is very popular for especially 2010. Microcensus, the closest than in Zurich, Switzerland's largest city. 32% of its inhabitants use the city's public transport regularly, term of trolleybuses, of which 60% visit at least two models, with 26% dependent on a personal vehicle. Whether than the resident or a car or a motorcycle. Switzerland has a public managed toll-free road network financed by permit as well as vehicle and petrol taxes. Visit Autobahn Autorad system requires the annual purchase of a Vignet toll streak for 46 francs to use its roadway, including passengers, car and trucks. Visit Autobahn or Autoroute networks in stages for 2,159 km or 1,404 mi and has one of the biggest motorway densities in the world. Zurich Airport is Switzerland's largest international flight gateway. It handled 31.2 million passengers in 2024. The other international airports are Geneva Airport, 13.9 million passengers in 2012. Euro Airport, Bissel Malhaus, Fribourg, located in France. Bern Airport, Lugano Airport, St. Gallen, Alten Rhein Airport, and Sion Airport. Swiss International Airlines is the flight carrier its main hub in Zurich, but it is legally domiciled in Basel. Environment. Switzerland is one of the best in environmental records among developed nations. It is a signatory to the Kyoto Protocol alongside Mexico and South Korea. It was a founding member of the Environmental Integrity Group (EIG). The country is active in recycling and anti-littering program and is one of the world's top recyclers.
Currencies that are stronger than the US dollar. Hard
of
10 francs.
Materials varying across the country.
20 francs.
The 2014 Global Green Economy Index pledged Switzerland
50
among the top
francs.
10 green economies. Switzerland has an
100
economic system
francs.
for gravel
200
disposal, which is
francs.
set mostly on recycling and energy
1,000
production.
francs.
In
Guess the country.
As in other European countries, the illegal disposal of garbage is prevented in almost all Swiss municipalities. Mandatory stickers or dedicated garbage banks, also the identification of disposable garbage